Welcome to Dragon Dictate for Mac from Nuance. With Dragon Dictate, you do the talking and let your Mac do the work. Whether you're working on a book, a blog, a letter or an email, Dragon Dictate for Mac lets you create text using just your voice. Documenting my adventures has never been easier thanks to Dragon Dictate for Mac, full stop. Instead of using my keyboard, comma, I can speak and my words are turned into text. Dragon Dictate works with Mac applications you already use, like Apple's Pages and Keynote, as well as Microsoft Word, TextEdit, Safari, iChat, Mail, and many more. Reply to this message. Hi Erica, comma, new paragraph. I'll be in London in February, full stop. Let's check out that great new Italian restaurant at Brighton Beach. Full stop, new paragraph. Insert my email signature. Send this message. Dragon Dictate requires only a few minutes of training to get started, as it effortlessly learns your voice. And with continued usage, Dragon Dictate gets even more accurate. Imagine a whole new way to interact with your Mac. Simply speak a command and Dragon Dictate executes it for you. Open Safari, jump to Google, search, wedding chapels in Italy, press OK. Dragon Dictate for Mac shows you a list of available commands for the active application. The paparazzi are chasing my gondola. Send message. Dragon Dictate for Mac comes with everything you need to get started, including a high-quality headset microphone. Or you can use your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch 4 as a wireless microphone simply by downloading this free microphone app from iTunes.
I'm excited to tell you about Dragon Dictate for Mac 3. In this new release of Dictate, we've completely transformed the product. There's a lot of great new feature capability that we built in, and we've made the product faster and more accurate than ever before. I'd like to spend a minute and just show you a couple of the great new features. Wake up. Send an email to Erica Hill. Check out all the great new features in Dragon Dictate for Mac 3. Tab key. Hi Erica, comma, new paragraph. I'm sure by now you've heard about Dragon Dictate for Mac 3, period. I wanted to tell you about some of the great new features that I'm most excited about, period. Let's start with a list, colon, new paragraph. Insert top features. I don't have time to tell you about all these features, dash, but I did want to spend just a moment to tell you that the correction capability of Dragon Dictate for Mac has been completely transformed. So now I can select and correct individual words and be far more efficient than ever before using my voice to control my Mac, period. New paragraph. Also, comma, with the new digital voice recorder support, comma, I can use Dictate to transcribe audio files that I've created of my voice, period, new paragraph. Rather than have me tell you about all this great new stuff, dash, I encourage you to go out and get your own version of Dictate so you can check it out for yourself, period, new paragraph. Peter, new paragraph, my email signature. Send message. And those are some of the new features in Dragon Dictate for Mac 3.